Hey guys, Wire here. Before we get to the radio, I wanted to show you something I picked up at the flea market a couple weeks ago. I thought it was really cool. You ham radio guys probably know what this is, but I'll explain it to you guys that don't know what it is. I picked this up. Actually, a guy owed me some money, so he let me have this instead, which I thought was pretty cool. And what it is, it's antenna adapter set. So when you're out on the field and there's antennas up and you don't have an adapter to pretty much well fit the coax you have, well, these are the different adapters for different couplings, which I thought was really cool. Most of them are BNC connectors. This is basically to hook up the hard line, which is coax that's pretty much well like a pipe, not the kind of stuff that bends up. And the harder the line in coax, the less losses you get. I thought it was pretty cool. I don't know if I'm ever going to use this, but I'll put it in my collection of radio stuff. Like I said, I thought it was really neat. And this BNC to SO239 connectors. And I do use some of these for some antennas that I have. It'd be great to keep in the truck when I'm doing field day or something. Anyway, I thought I'd show you this. Like I said, I thought it was really cool. And it's got some other connectors here. I don't know if you can see that. Alligator clips to 1/4 inch banana plug. Really cool, really cool. I'll be honest with you, I've never seen an adapter set like this before. So like I said, I'm going to put this in my little collection. You never know. One day we might need it. Anyway guys, let's get to the radio. Okay guys, this is a little General Electric transistor radio. A customer of mine gave it to me about a month ago. I had it up in the shop. I wanted to bring it home and do a little restore on this. I don't know if it works or if it doesn't work. We're going to see what we need to do to get it to work. It might even work. I don't know. The carrying case is really pretty beat. I don't know. This is some kind of leatherette cardboard finish, but the radio looks halfway decent. Little nicks and scratches on the case, but let's open it up and see what's going on in here. It's a little dirty, a little bit of corrosion. Looks like it takes 2 AA batteries. It looks like the batteries both go in the same way. I don't know what the deal is with that, but back in these days, who knows? Anyway, let's get set up. And what I want to do is there's a lot of corrosion on these terminals here. I don't know if you can see it. And what I want to do is get these cleaned up. We'll throw some get this corrosion off of here, and I'll put some batteries in here and see if we can get this to work. We'll be right back. Okay, I got a little sanding cylinder on here. Let's see if we can get this cleaned up a little bit. Okay, we got most of the corrosion off of that. I'm going to hit it with a little alcohol, some 91% alcohol. There's a little bit of green corrosion right here. Try to pick that off with a peg, wooden peg. It's probably from the batteries that were in here before. They probably left them in. There weren't any batteries when we opened it up. Okay, let's throw some batteries in here. We'll use some cheap Harbor Freight batteries. Like I said, it looks like the batteries go the same way. Give it a shot. Oh, we're getting something. Wow.
Of the voting centers in Merritt, $1,000.
A little bit of scratches in the variable capacitor.
You already share their value. In a variety of different areas.
Seems to be working pretty good. What I want to do is squirt this variable capacitor with a little bit of contact cleaner and see if we can get it to work a little bit better. Let's take these out. I'll be right back. Okay guys, I cleaned the board with some contact cleaner. I cleaned the volume switch potentiometer with contact cleaner. Didn't need it, but I cleaned it anyway. I sprayed a little bit of contact cleaner in here. You can't put a lot in this. It just shortens it out. I just cleaned the ground part of this, which was the rotor. So let's turn this on and see if it cleaned it up.
We were thinking in the last studies about the characteristics of legal
Before the last
by 17,000 from the week before.
No more scratchiness. Seems like it's right on.
There are many myths and misconceptions about the topic of estate planning. One of
and through living with me, I mean, I love
more legalism by working harder to justice system.
God has bestowed on us because he is a good and wonderful, I guess he should be called saint.
It's working really well. Sorry there wasn't more to this. Sorry for the short video, but I thought there would be something wrong with this. I would have to fix it, but didn't have to. Just need to be cleaned up and a couple batteries. The guy who gave it to me said he wasn't sure if it worked or not the last time. It belonged to his father. I told him, well, why did he want to get rid of it? He goes, well, I have no use for it. So I'm going to keep this in memory of his dad, which passed away. He told me he passed away about 5 years ago. So I'm going to keep this. And it does work. So like I said, all I need was a little bit of cleaning up. As far as the case is concerned, we'll put it back in there to keep keep it cosmetically nice. But I'll probably look for another case. Anyway, guys, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. Like I said, I'm sorry it didn't go a little longer. I was hoping there would have been some major issues with this, but sometimes it's great not to have major issues. Anyway, guys, you guys have a nice Thanksgiving. It's the Wednesday before Thanksgiving, and I'll catch you guys in a week or two. Anyway, have a good one. This is Wired. See ya!